Hello, my name is Dragonstormer, and today I will be showing you how to make the ultimate spicy tuna sandwich. Okay, you're going to need either mayonnaise or Miracle Whip, whichever one you prefer. Personally, I prefer Miracle Whip. A can of tuna, some hot and sweet pickles, a fresh onion, some garlic butter seasoning, some key lime habanero hot sauce, and for a little extra kick, a packet of Diablo sauce. So you're going to want to start by opening and draining the tuna and dicing up some of the onions and pickles and just put it all into a bowl. Now you're going to want to get 3 or 4 forkfuls of your mayonnaise or Miracle Whip. And then take your garlic and herb seasoning. Garlic butter, not garlic herb. And come on, why is it coming out so slow? That looks good. And then take your hot sauce. Yeah. And your Diablo sauce. And then I'll mix it all together nice and good. And then once it's nice and good and stirred up, take a little taste to make sure it's seasoned to your liking. Yeah, that's good. And then you're going to want to warm up your bread. Now, you're going to want it warm but still soft. So the best way to do that is to just heat it up in the microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds. And then simply assemble your sandwich and enjoy. Oh yeah, that looks good. Time to take a bite. Perfect. Absolutely delicious. And it's packed with protein, so it makes a great pre- or post-workout meal. And that was how to make the ultimate spicy tuna sandwich. See you next time!